Hello, 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 hello. Welcome back. This is a second day learning Python for a preparation PCEP certification. Thank you for yeah. I think even though there's nobody watching, but yeah, it's okay. So this video is basically about I want to learn about Python. Specifically, it's a journey to get a PCEP certification. Day 2. So to recap, I think I want to recap what I learned yesterday. Yesterday I think I learned about the fundamental of computer programming. Let me see my notes. Yeah, the fundamental of computer programming, the difference between compilation and interpretation, what Python is, how it positioned among other programming languages, and then what makes language. So I think yesterday I learned about what makes language. First is alphabet. It's the definition is symbols used to build words. Lexis is like a dictionary. Syntax, a set of rules, and semantic, certain pair that makes sense. And then yesterday I also learned about the difference between compilation and interpretation. So compilation means that the source program translated once by getting a file containing a machine code. Advantage: the execution of the translated code is usually faster. Only the user has to have the compiler, and the end user may use the code without it. And the translated code is stored using machine language. But the disadvantage of compilation is time-consuming process. But interpretation means that you can run the code as soon as you complete it. The code is stored using a programming language. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much it what I learned yesterday. Now let's go to the day 2. I think yesterday I finished module 1. Now I go to module 2. So let's jump in. Okay. All right. So module 2. Data types, variable, basic input and output operation. Okay. In this module, you will learn how to write and run a simple Python programs, what Python literals, operators, and expressions are, what variables are, and what are the rules that govern them, how to perform basic input and output. Now we're talking. I think this module is more like it's more deeper. This is deeper than yesterday. So yeah, I think it's good. Let's go. Next. Alright, it's time to start writing some real working Python. It will be very simple for time being, as we're going to show run the code in the editor window on the right. If everything goes okay, you will see a line in the text console window. If we launch IE, create new Python source, fill it with the code, name file, run it. If everything goes okay, you will see run the code you have run should look familiar. You saw some things very similar when we led you through the setting up of the idle environment. Okay, as you can see, the first program consists of the following parts: print, opening parenthesis, quotation mark, a line of text, hello world, another quotation mark, and closing parenthesis. Alright, so if I run this, hello world. Okay, Yeah, sounds clear to me. The print function, look at the line before. The word print that you can use, you can see here is a function name. That doesn't mean that wherever the word appears, always function name. Okay, so we know that print here is a function name. You probably encountered term of many times before during math classes, where we list several names mathematical functions like sin or log. Python, however, more flexible, can contain mathematical. Okay. A function is a separate part of the computer code able to cause some effect. Is something completely unheard. Evaluate a value. Return it as the function result. This is what makes Python function relatively mathematical concept. Moreover, many of Python function can do the above two things together. When the function comes from, where do the might come from Python itself? Okay. Okay, let me write it down. Function is a separate part of the computer. Computer code able to cause some effect like send text to terminal and then evaluate value. All right, sounds clear to me. Okay, next is where the function comes from. Do functions come from? They may come from Python itself or from modules. Write themselves. Okay, the name of the function should be significant. Yeah, sounds clear to me too. Let's go. The print function. As we said before, a function may have an effect, a result. There's also a third very important function component is the arguments. Okay, in spite of Python functions strongly demand the presence of pair parentheses. Okay, you want to deliver one or more argument on a function, you place them inside the parentheses. If you're going to use a function which doesn't take any arguments, you still have to have the parentheses. To distinguish ordinary words from function name, place a pair of empty parentheses after the names, even if the corresponding function wants one or more arguments. This is a standard convention. The function we're talking about here is print. That's the print function in our example. Have an arguments. Okay, so the print one is a string. Okay, you can see a string in the element quotes. That's fine. Almost anything you put inside the code will be taken literally, not as a code but as data. Try to play with this particular string. Yeah, good. The function print case, function invocation. We will discuss this in more depth soon, but we should just shed a little light on it right now. What happens when Python encounters an invocation like this one below? No, I don't think so. Legal, okay. All right, estimates. Very easy. Object becoming familiar with the print. Now forming an experimenting with the Python code. In your first lab, use a print function and print line hello Python on the screen. Use double quotes around the string. Having done that, print the first name. Remove double quotes. Pattern reaction. What kind of error is thrown? What kind of error is thrown this time? Okay, let's start with the hello Python. So print hello Python. Then run this one. Okay, that sounds good. But this time print my first name and remove double quotes. Okay. Let's see. Okay, now file name line 1 print error. It's not defined, that's clear. The function, okay, just go back. I want to go back a little bit. I just want to emphasize something. Just to remember, when you print and then you want to put some string, it is important to have double quotation mark or single quotation mark. This is very important. This is a sign which means that you put a string in here, so keep in mind. So hello Python print. Yeah, that's good. 3 important questions have to be answered as soon as possible. What is the effect print function causes? The effect is very useful and very spectacular. The function take its argument if it's needed, the variable, and sends the resulting data to the output device. In other words, anything you put into the print function will appear on your screen. That from now on you'll utilize print very intensively to see the result of your operation and evaluation. What arguments that sprints expect? It will show you what value does the print function return. None. Its effect is enough. Okay, the print function instruction. You have already seen computer program contains of invocation. Complex questions. How do you couple more than one instruction into the Python code? It cannot be more than one instruction in a line. Okay, let's run code to see. Your Python code should look now like this. It's a good opportunity of observation. The program invokes print function twice, and you can see 2 separate lines in the code. It means that your print begins its output on the line each time. You can change the behavior, but you can also use it to your advantage. Okay, but same order. Okay, if I print this, it will be like that. So yeah, just keep in mind that if you should be if so in Python, this one line here, it's only for what do you like? Also reflecting No text. Okay, I think what I mean is like one line means one execution, something like that. So in this case, first gonna print the etc busy spider climb, blah blah blah, and then next print down came. Sounds good. The print function instruction function, we call it empty because we haven't delivered any arguments to the function. I can run the code. What happens if everything goes right? You should see something like this. So there is a blank space there. Interesting. Okay, let's see. Sorry. Yeah, it's the print function and escape a new line characters. Oh, this is interesting. Okay. All right. So we have modified look at flow. There's too subtle. C1 backslash n. The backslash has a very special meaning when used inside a string. This is called the escape characters. The word escape should be understood specifically. It means that the series characters escapes. The letter n placed after the backslash comes from the word new line, which urges the console to start a new output line. Run the code in channel. Let's see. Oh, all right. So it indicates with backslash n, and you don't need space after that, just like backslash n, and then it will enter a new line without having us to create another line, like another print. You know, you can print only one line here, but the output will be two lines. Okay, sounds good. The print function escape new line. Let me write it down. Experience. The function, the escape new line character. If you want to backslash, don't forget the escaping nature. You have to double such an invocation will cause an error. Well, this one won't. What? Do you want to put just one backslash inside the string? Don't forget its escaping nature. You have to double it. Such invocation will cause an error. Well, not all escape pairs, but coupled with another character means something. Experiments with your code. I don't run it. See what's happened. See. Okay. Then what happens if I don't put n? Let me remove. Yeah. It's still this. Oh. Okay. So if I remove n, then Python will not gonna see that as an enter line, new line. So it's just like normal characters. But if I put double string, how? Let me refresh and see how it looks like. That's weird. Still the same. Okay, let me see where are them come. Okay, all right, that's fine for me. I don't know why, but double slash means nothing. But if I need to put a backslash and okay. Interesting. The print function is multiple arguments. Okay. But one argument is also I don't know what's going on. What? This is what we are going to test now. Okay. Function invocation, but it's contained 3 arguments. All of them are string. The arguments are separated by commas, we're surrounded. Okay. The console should now be showing following text. Exhibit 6. Appear again. Okay, let's run this code to see. It is spider. Why there's a space? Okay, it's space automatically. Print function invokes more than one argument, outputs them all on one line. The print function puts a space between the output argument on its own initiative. Okay. Good for me. Wait. Okay. The print function, the position way of passing the arguments. Now that you know a bit about print function custom, we're going to show you how to change them. The way in which we are passing arguments print, most common Python, and called the positional way. This run the code and check if the output matches your prediction. Okay. My name is Python. Monty Python. Okay, that's okay. Okay. Then next, the print function of the keyword arguments. You want to confidence prints or keyword arguments? That's fine. In order to use it, you need to know some rules. A keyword argument consists of 3 elements: keyword, an equal sign, a value assigned to that argument. Any keyword argument have to be put at the last positional arguments. For example, we made the end keyword. Oh, what does that means here? We have made use of end keyword argument and set it to a string containing 1 space. Run the code and see how it looks like. Oh, okay. So it's weird because this one, the print function has 2 keyword arguments that you can use for your purposes. The first one is and. A keyword argument consists of 3 elements: a keyword identifying argument, and here an equal sign and a value assigned to that argument. Any keyword arguments have to put at the last position argument. This is very important in our so this one needs to be in the end of the argument. Okay, in our example, a string containing 1 space. Run the code to see how it works. The console should be now showing the following text. My name is Python, Monty Python. It determines characters of prints no output. Once it reaches the end of positional argument, the default behavior reflects the situation where end keyword is implicitly used in the following way. And but let's see. I mean, like, without this one, It's, I mean, like if I remove this one, it should print exactly like this, I think, right? But if I put and empty, then it will print one line later. Interesting. Let me go to okay. All right. Print function. So my name is. We will use an argument, but to it's empty. It contains no characters. My name is Monty. Should we know on new line? So let's see what it looks like. My name is Monty Python. It's the same. Okay. Carefully you see that we use an argument, but string assigned to it is empty. There are no characters at all. Run the program as the n argument has been set to nothing. The print function output nothing to once its positional arguments have been exhausted. The console should now showing following text. Oh, I think energy can be any length. Experiments what you want. Ah, I see. It's because we have a space here. Okay, I get it now. But okay. So what I know is that n is combining to print and then follow with equal sign and then double quotes. Depends what you want to add in between double quotes. If you put double quotes, a space, then it will print this line, my name is, with a space, and then space combining with the Monty Python. Okay, but if you put I mean, like the end will be the same if I do that and then remove big space here. So it's quite the same. So yeah, I understand. The print function is a keyword arguments. Print step. What is step now? Look at the code in editor and run it. SEP argument delivers the following result. My name is Monty Python. Okay, print function now instead of space. Oh, let's see. My name. Separation. What do we want to put as a separation? Let's say I want to put underscore. That will be like, my name is Monty Python. Oh, this is very important. Okay, that's good. SEP delivers following result. Okay, good. All right. I just checking my YouTube studio to see if my stream runs well. I think so too. So yeah. All right. Next one is the print function keyword argument mix one relation and accept. Okay. What looks like. So my name is Monty Python. My name is with separation. Okay, that's clear. So we put separation underscore in the beginning, the first sentence, and then we put star in the second section. That's clear. Estimated time. Okay, very easy. Objective familiar with print. Modify the first line using sets and keyword to match the expected result. Use to print our function in the editor. Don't change anything in the second print. Okay, that's pretty much it. Okay, accept. 3 4 3 and here we go, and 1 2 3. Okay, see how it looks like. Oh, it's quite easy busy bunny. Oh yeah, all right, so we put separation with 3 star, then ends with 3 dots, then you will get essential here. Okay, it's good, I learned something. Oh, that's nice, that's good. All right, I think my level of difficulty easy. Experiment, Python code, discovering for you to play with the code written for you, make something, maybe even destructive amendments. Try to minimize the number print function invocation by inserting end sequence into the strings. Make the arrow twice as large, but keep it proportion. Duplicate the arrow, placing both. Okay, minimize this number function invocation by inserting into the string. Make the arrow twice as large. Duplicate the arrow. Do the same. Print. Ah. Minimize the number and inserting sequence in. Make arrow twice as large. Okay. Like we can try by, I think this is what they meant. let's run this one. If you want to have a row side by side, yeah, just copy everything like that. Or what I can do, okay. Alright, see how it looks like. I think it's gonna be double side by side. Oh no, it's so bad. Should have. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it, I guess. You know, that should be fine. I get the idea. Thanks. Take away, friends built in, hello world. String 2, backslash, new line characters. Okay. Either data itself. Take a look at set of digits. Can you guess the value it represents? Of course you can. 823. But what about this? Integration. Literal scenes. The code. Literal the data itself. Take a look at the snippet editor. The first line looks familiar. The second visible lack of code is try to run it. If everything went okay, you should see now two identical lines. What happened? What does it mean? Through this example encounters two different types of literals, which are an integer. Yeah, this is a string. This is an integer. Okay, integers, floating, fine. And I'm quite okay with that. Try this print. Oh, I think it's gonna be error. What 83? Why? It's octa number with a decimal value. Let's see. French only. Okay. Hexadecimal. Okay. The second convention allows us to use hexadecimal. Such numbers should be preceded by the prefix. Now we talk about integer. Value x 2 9 value Why this one print 0? Why is it 291? This print one can manage. Oh, this is. Why is it 291? Integer, octal, and so. Yes, I think this one I need to learn. It's quite. Floats, that's clear. Floating point numbers. Number doesn't contain any commas. But, 0.4. I can also write 0.4. 4 points. Okay. Integer for float. Integer is a number, whereas for float number value the base. Coding float. Okay. The string. Well, string needs quotes, that's clear. I want to receive a mail saying Monty Python. I like the first base escape characters. You remember backslash. This can accept quotes to a quote. Proceed backslash. Change its meanings. It's not the delimiter, but it's just a quotes. This work as an intended. Oh. Normally I use a single quotes for this one, but using a backslash, we can make it not as a delimiter, but just as normal quotes. That's clear. Okay. I like Monty Python. Who is Monty Python though? I don't know. Code strings. Now the next question is, how do you embed an apostrophe into a string placed between apostrophes? Apostrophes. You should already know the answer, or to be precise, two possible answer. Try to print out a string containing following messages. Okay. Print. I am Monty Python. I run the program. String can be made and there's no characters. Boolean. Okay, Boolean is a true or false. It's quite clear. Print true more than false. Estimate. Okay. Become familiar with print, formatting capabilities, practicing code strings, experimenting with Python code. Run one line piece of code using print. A new escape match will result outputted 3 lines. I'm learning Python. Okay. Let's just oh, we need to put text. Okay. Oops. Okay. Learning. Python. Yeah, I'm using backslash. Oh, no way. How do we do it? I should put wait. Did I do something wrong? Backslash minus print this. Wait, first let's print only one line. I'm okay. I think this is the way I do it. Okay, that's so bad. It's a backspace, no? I don't know. Print backspace. I'm collecting like this. Okay, let's talk of previous this. Dang it. I like big space. Should be like okay, I got it. Let's see. Okay, print. Okay. Here. And then backslash like this. Okay. Okay. Print. Backslash. Learning. Backslash. Learning. Okay, I'm learning. Print backslash. Oh, Python backslash. Okay, but now I want to put it. Can I put double quote? Oh, this is very, very tricky. Very, very tricky. Okay. Okay, let's just. Okay, we have double quotes here and then double quotes. If I want to put a double quotes again, then backslash double quotes backslash plus double quote. Okay, this is very tricky, guys. This is very tricky. So print Python. Okay. Okay, all right. Back. Hello. Python as a calculator. Okay, we have plus, minus, multiplication, diversion. This one is the rest. Percentage, multiplication. Okay. Remember both. Possible formula based on the result. Operator can see. Please. Argument is a float. Resulting float 2. This and forward things to remember. 2 is to the power of 3, 8 to the power of 3.0, 2.0 to the power of 3. Okay, that's clear. Run the scene there, still work. Two, three. Oh, without a quotation mark because you want to calculate this one. Yeah, I mean, like, that's pretty clear. One of 6 10 to the power of 3. Okay, see where is it? Yeah, that's quite clear. Integer division and look. We have 2. That's clear. Look at the following snippet. Ah, 4, 1. Okay. Not a 1.0. -2. The result is 2 negative 2's. The real is rounded -1.4. Both of the result are subject of rounding. Rounding goes to the lesser integer. Okay, it means the hands -2. Okay. Writer's modulo. Well, this one I think should be equal to 2. Yeah, while 14 gives 3. This is the integer quotient. Okay, check. Operator addition. Print. Binding operation. Quite long, yeah. Okay. Operator, their priorities. Certification, something like that. That's fine. Operator binding. Print. 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 3. 250. Okay, that's clear. Takeaways. What are variables? Using variables. Binding variables plus a is equal to 3. The a c is equal a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2. And c is equal to c. Okay. Okay. Estimate time 10 minutes. Easy level, becoming familiar with the concept of data type. Create a variable called John, Mary, and Adam is equal to John, and B is equal to Mary. Let's put it in there. C is equal to Adam. Assign a value to the variable must be number fruit possesses. Oh, okay. Oh, I mean wrong. Okay. John equal to true. Mary is equal to 3. And Adam is equal to, let's say, 5. Okay. Assign of values to the variable must be equal to the numbers of root process respectively. Having stored number of variables, print the variables on the line, separate each of them with a comma. Now create a new variable called total apples. Total apples equal to addition of 3 former variables. Okay, John plus number of apples John plus Mary plus Adam, then print total apples. Okay, total number of apples. Total apple. Okay. Print the variable, so I need to print the variable first. Print John equal to John. Separate each of them with a comma. Okay. Comma Mary equal to Mary, and then Adam is equal to Adam. Let's see if I print this one. Okay. All right, I think that's clear. Shortcut operators, execute, +2 plus equal to, that's fine. Miles, kilometer, unit length of distance, bearing miles, 1 miles, 1 miles to kilometer is 1 point miles to kilometer is miles times 1.61. Okay, kilometers to miles is you put in the place test your program provided first. Miles. Okay, kilometer divided by 1.1. That's how it looks. Ooh, all right, I got it. Okay, kilometers divided by 1.1 and miles multiple by 1. Okay, that's good. Lab estimated time 10. Yeah. Take a scenario float. Print the value of a variable y. Your task is to complete the code in order to evaluate the following expressions. Okay, x is equal to, result should be assigned to y. Test your data here. X is equal to, this is okay, right? And 0. Y is equal to y. Okay. X, y is equal to, okay. Okay, y is equal to, right? Okay, y times x to the power of 3 minus 2 times x to the power of 2 plus y times x minus 1. Let's see how it looks like. Yay, baby! Let's go. Minus 1. Okay, let's see. Okay, right, that's good. That's good. So that is how you create a variable. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, good. Good. Key takeaways. My var. Oh. Takes a two and a, so an error of 1 2 times b is 6. Yeah, 6 divided by 1. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Leaving comments why. Estimate 5 minutes ago from the reconcile of Python using and not comments, replacing comments with code, experimenting with the code, Python code, experimenting. Okay. Forced. I think I'm ready to go for quiz now. Anything input? Anything really? Input. Oh, what is this? Enter number 2. Something, anything. Something. Okay, anything number 4 string can go to float. Okay, that's why we need to float. We need to convert that into a floating number. Do this. 2 pointer power is 4. Okay. Yeah, from deadlock. This solution of orders. Why? What can I think that's quite clear. Typecasting. Python offer 2 simple functions. Here there are integer and float. Integer function takes 1 argument. Integer string, a float. Okay, convert valid number. That's 12, 23. Oh, hybrid. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. String plus string. Yeah, it looks like. May I have your first name, please? No, you should not have my first. What's my first name? May I have, wait. Rujo. Thank you. Your name is Damario Rujo. Okay, first name, last name. Thank you. Okay, yeah, that's clear. So we concatenate string with string, variable and variable. Yeah. Okay, plus and oh, James. And okay. Objective, becoming familiar with the input and outputting of data in Python. Your task is to complete the code in order to evaluate the result of 4 basic arithmetic operations. The results have to be printed to the console. You may not be able to protect the code from a user. You want to divide it. It's okay, don't worry about it. The value. Print input num is equal to input is input a float value here, fnum input a float value for a variable s second snum input please input a float value here. Yeah, output of the result, and then we need to convert float. This one I need to convert it to float also. And then output equal to addition is equal to fnum plus snum print addition. Okay, subtraction fnum minus snum print subtraction multiplication is equal to fnum multiplied by snum print multiplication plus 1 is the division is equal to fnum plus snum division okay, print division. All right, let's see. 3 6 okay. All right, that's clear. Wow. Evaluate the following expression. 1 x is equal to uh 1 1. Okay, let's see the value of x by the code here. 1 y is equal to 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by x 1 divided by x. Okay. Uh, okay, let's run this one. It's not callable. Oh. I mean, like, why? Y is equal to 1 divided by x plus 1 1 divided by, okay, open bracket open bracket, open bracket 1 divided by x x plus open bracket 1 divided by open bracket x plus open bracket 1 divided by open bracket x plus open bracket 1 divided by first and then x. Let's see. One. I see. Now it's good. Now it's good. Then 0. Okay. Then let's say 100. Alright, easy busy geezy man. Easy geezy man. I know we're starting them hours. Okay, I think I'm. What is this? the start time given s- I don't know this one. Images. Wait. The module 2. Oh, finally. All right. This is the time. Let's do this. Start. The escape characters owes its name to the fact that escape. Let's change name. The meaning of the name. Okay, changes the meaning of the characters next to it. Yes. The meaning of positional parameter is determined by I don't know this one. The position. The most important difference between integer and floating numbers lies in the fact that integers cannot be they are stored differently. They are stored differently in the computer memory. I think this one. Oh, the X prefix means the number after it's denoted as hexadecimal, I guess. Is perform the integer division. Yeah, it's an integer division. Yes. The result of the following addition is can integer addition with float can or not? I don't know. Can it be evaluated? Should be. Nah, I think it's equal to 1.12. Only one of the following statement is true. Which one? Addition precedes. No. Neither statement can be. Nope. Yeah. Precede addition. Yes. Right side binding means the following expression will be evaluated from left to right. A keyword is a word that keyword, a most important word in a whole, can be used as a function. A variable keyword. A value returned by the input function is a string. Yes. Woo! 90%. Let's see how it. What is the wrong thing? Correct. Correct. Huh? Wait. What? What? From right to left? No, that's not true. Right side binding means okay, that's fine. Back to summary. Continue. Proceed. Okay, which of the following statements are true? Select two answers. Operator cannot use the right side binding. Yeah, it's always no, not really. No, the human can be. This is wrong. It can be. Let's say. Can be. Can be double multiplication. Yeah. can be float, this one, unless it is double slash. If it's only one slash, I think this can be integer or float. So additional precedes, no multiplication precedes addition. The operator is exponent. The value 20.12 10 raised to the power of 8 times 10 raised to the power of 8. This one could be. What is the output of the following snippet? What is the output of the following snippet? So first we should have the exponential first. So 4 to the power of 2 is equal to b is equal to 1 plus then 1 divided by 2 equal to is equal to 0. Okay, 17.5. Yes. Result of the following division, 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. Which of the following variables names are illegal? True. I think this one. What is the output of the following snippet? Integer input 2 integer if the user entered 2 lines containing 2 and 4, then should be 6 because 2 here, y, yeah, 4. That's fine. Oh no, it should be 6. What is the output of following snippet? 2 and 4. Okay, 2 divided by 4. 4 is equal to 0.5. Y 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Then print. Oh, okay, wait. First x, then 0.5, then is equal to 8. Yeah, 8. Because this value will change according to this formula. 9. What is the output of the following snippet if the user enters 2 lines containing 2 and 4 respectively? Well, I think it's an error. No, 2, 4, 24. Why? Because it's a string. No. Left-sided bidding determines that the result of the following statement will be okay. Then 1 divided by 2 equal to 1. 1 times 3, 3. A 0 0 0. I think so. Let's see. What is the output of the following snippet? 3 times 5, 15, 17. It's a float, so 17.0. What is the output of the following snippet if the user enters two lines containing 11 and 4 respectively? X is equal to 11. Let's see. Equal to 11 and Y is equal to 4 integer. So first X 11 the percentage of 4 okay will be things equal to 3. Then X is equal to 3 to the power of 11. This is confusing, this one. 0. This one I don't know. I need to learn more about it. Let's see. Was 2. The ending for sprint function 2. No, break the output exactly. No, duplicate the character next to the break the output line. Prefix means the after it's denoted is hexadecimal, I guess. What is the output of the following snippet? 3, 6, 3, and then 6. Okay, 3. Okay, it's gonna be like 3 times 6. 3. Okay. What is the output of the following snippet? Y x equal to 1. Sept. Then 1. Separation by 1. Y. Oh no. 1. 1. Okay, what is the output of the following snippet? 1, 2, x, y, z, print x, comma, y. Y is equal to z. Okay. Z is equal to 1. Y. Z is equal to 1. This is tricky. So Z is equal to 1. X is equal to 2. Y is equal to Z is 1. Then print x comma y 2 comma 1. The print function can output values any number excluding the print function can output values of yeah, I think just one argument. What is the output? No, I don't think it's just any number of arguments. Yeah, including 0. Okay. What is the output of the following snippet if the user enters two lines containing 2 and 4 respectively? Hmm. Hmm. 4. 2 divided by 4. Uh, 2, 4. 0.5. 0. 1. Let's say 1, 4, 2, 4. 4 to the power of. I think it's 4. The meaning of keyword problem is determined by keyword. Yeah, I don't know. Let's go. Review test. That's correct. Why is it 20.12 times 12 times 10? 20.12 times 10 raised to the power of raised 12 raised. Why is it not correct? Okay, this is the print value 20.12 times raised to the power of 8. Could be is it okay? 1.8 1 divided eh 1 eh I confused. I want to try. Let's say is equal to 1 divided by 1 print a 1.0. Yeah, wait, are illegal. What is, can I say it true? Okay, so this one definitely, but this one is not, is illegal. Variables are illegal. Which of the following variables are illegal? Okay. How about 6, 8, that's y is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 3 5 point y. Eh? That's so weird. Why? Print y. 2 plus 3 times 5 point, right? Ah, this is a big Y. That's why. Ah, so tricky. Yeah, let's x 2 11. Ooh. Okay. All right. Yep. So I think that's pretty much it. So unfortunately, I not get the correct one, but it's okay. I want to try it again next time. Yeah. All right. So I will take a rest a little bit and then go back to the second part, which is beginner's project. I think I have one example case for beginners that I want to try, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. I'll be right back. Okay, so yeah, stay tuned. Give me a second.